Hello friends, this I'm showing you this GeTump car seat cover or the bag that you can use to carry your kids car seat anywhere in your travel or you want to store properly like somewhere. So this is a waterproof cover, and you can see this comes in a really nice pouch setting. So this is the whole cover including this pouch. So the seat cover is inside attached to this case. So like if you want to store it, you can just store it inside this bag. So there's nothing to carry another bag with you for the storage. So as you see, it's a really large size and any car seat can fit, even it's a Greco or Chico or any car seat can fit in this cover. Waterproof fabric. This is the stand like for the foot. These are the handles. This is the name tag plate that you can put the name tag or any identification. Clear plastic. This handle shade is soft, and you can see that the stitching and everything is really nice. So these are the buckles that you can fit, and I'm just fitting a car seat like my kids car seat in here, and you can see it's pretty easy to just put the car seat inside and it covers up very easily. And see, like there are the string to tighten this one to cover. Once you tighten this string thing, and you can just put this knob stuff and it will log up. And now it's very handy to carry. You can just put it on your back as a backpack, or you can use the handles to take it. It's a very nice car seat, cover the whole car, very easy to carry and pack and portable. So you can carry in multiple ways with all these different string and the knobs.